So litigation, when you are repeatedly being victimized, losing tens of thousands of dollars because someone is making baseless copyright complaints or other complaints against you, then it might be time to take them to court. And I want to talk to you about a case. I just got off the phone with an Amazon seller, a significant seller doing hundreds of thousands of dollars a month in sales, and he's having problem after problem because he's receiving copyright complaints that he believes are coming from a seller located in China. So I want to tell you what I did. So Tony Zhang is one of our paralegals. He's absolutely awesome. He three-wayed me in the call. I picked it up. Of course, this isn't my desk. This is our awesome studio. And we went through it. I wanted to make sure first that the litigation is something that will likely draw a profit, likely earn a profit, because litigation is costly, it's time-consuming, it's not particularly fun. So you want to make sure that the attorney's fees in any business matter is something that is going to return a 3 to 5x return on your investment. So how do you calculate that, since litigation is so hard to plan? You look at the worst case scenario. So if you file this lawsuit, you can plan on being in court, worst case scenario, a year, 18 months, possibly 2 years. You can plan on some months costing very little because there's nothing going on, like you're waiting for a court to make a decision. And some months could be 10 or 15 grand because you're actively fighting in court, writing papers, asking the court to do something. So on average, I'd probably say litigation is going to cost any seller, any brand, is going to cost you, I'd say, on average, $2,000 to $5,000 a month, with some months being a lot more, other months being a lot less. And therefore, the case could cost you, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 easy. And is that worth it to you as a business person? It could be worth it to you because you're going to recoup sales that you're otherwise losing because of the bad conduct. Or it could be worth it to you because you anticipate recovering money from the bad guys. So as a business person, when it comes to litigation, these are some of the things you absolutely must think about before you pay any lawyer anything at all. And with us, I always talk it through before we accept any litigation case. And if you want to throw your fact scenario at me, just use this phone number, send me an email. We will arrange a time to really go through it so that you can make an educated decision as to whether or not litigation is the right step for you and is likely to lead to a profit.